Welcome to my channel. This is Traders Hub TV, and on this channel we give you everything that has to do with boom and crash, so you can be a profitable trader in and out. Before I go on to explain how this new strategy works, I would want you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get a notification anytime I upload something like this. I'm going to only be uploading the best strategy in to harness the market. So stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to show you the settings at the end of this video. Now, before I proceed, I want to, if you see where I draw this line you see here, this line you're seeing here, I'm moving up here, is actually a line to show you where you're to take your trade and where you're not supposed to take your trade. Let me do this again. Now, if this line you see here, let me use this arrow to demonstrate this. This line you see here, sorry about that. This line you see here, this line needs to move down. This line needs to move down to this place, to somewhere here, yes. Or if this line gets to, okay, somewhere here will be fine. Yeah, somewhere here will be fine. Somewhere here will be fine. So we have to endure and wait until this line gets somewhere here before we can take our buy. Okay, before we can take our buy, this line need to come here. Now the level at which, the level at which at the beginning you took your buy here wouldn't have made sense because that market would have been somewhere here. At the beginning you took your buy here when this thing came out here. So you need to wait for this red line to come out. Let this red line come out. If this red line get to this point and you take your buy, you have 100% winning ratio. If this line come down to this place, the better, because the buy is going to be massive up. The buys are going to be massive. You see that? So look at the level where this market got to. You have a very high level of your buy trade being triggered immediately compared to when it was here on these red lines. I will do more videos to explain this further. Now, if you allow this red line come down to this point or come down to this point, then you place your buy, 100% you're going to be massively in profit. Okay, you're going to have so much profit because this guy here is going to spike until it enters back into this place. It's going to spike until it enter back into this place. That is when these spikes are going to stop. So, but if eventually this thing come down here, take your spike, take your buy. Don't wait for anything. Take your buy because this has given you a clear signal to buy the commodity or this pair. So let me show you similar example in boom 1000. What happened? Look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. I'm just teaching you stuff, so next time you can demand for me to take trade for you, and then so you can understand. This market got to this point. This was not a good entry to buy. You see that? To sell, it wasn't a good entry. That means the market was barely here. So if you sold, that means you're going to just be making small, like 10 candlestick until this guy went inside again. So but when this red line traveled to this point, to this place, to this height, the winning rate was so high because it cannot spike further. So what do? We endure and get, once you shift your market this way, your chart this way, to where it is now, and you confirm that this red line has moved from down to this place, at least 70% of the chart is covered. 70% of the chart is covered, or 75% of the chart is covered with this red up. Then, my dear, go ahead and take your sell. Don't hesitate. Go ahead and take your sell without any other indicator. Go ahead and take your sell, because this market is going to sell down. It's going to sell down. There is nothing that will prevent it. Nothing will make this market to go up again. It has hit the level in 1 minute. So you are going to make so much money from this if you can observe this particular stuff I've shown you here. But in case you don't understand it, just drop a message while I give you the settings. You come here, it's just a single Bollinger band, period 39, deviation 10.010, shift 0. Don't shift it to anywhere. Apply to only close, and then choose the color of your choice. Then go back. That is done. Observe it in any of the market, whether boom, whether crash. Okay? Don't sell when this red is around here. This is about 30% up. So wait until this red is about 70%, 70 to 75% up. Once it is 70 to 75% up, you can take your sell and enjoy the market till infinity. Is that okay? If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification buttons so I can give you more and more profitable strategies to trade your market in the future. This is the best strategy right now in the market, on the street of boom and crash. 1 minute. Test it on your demo. Back test it time without number, and then boom, make so much money. Stay tuned and God bless you until I upload some other useful videos again. You can join our Telegram group. You can chat me up on WhatsApp, and then I will respond to you swiftly. Thank you and stay tuned.